ever pondered the question of when the right time to buy a new house might be? It's a thought that has crossed many minds. And today, we'll delve into this complex topic. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that the right time to buy a house is unique to each individual. It depends on personal circumstances, financial readiness, and the housing market status. Step 1 is assessing personal readiness. Buying a house is a long-term commitment, often lasting at least a decade or two. Therefore, it's vital to consider future plans. Are there any major life changes on the horizon, such as a new job, marriage, or having children? If these changes are likely to occur soon, it might be wise to wait until life settles down. Financial readiness is the second step. This isn't just about having enough money for a down payment. It's also about having a stable income, a good credit score, and enough savings to cover unexpected costs. It's important to look at the bigger financial picture. How would a mortgage payment fit into the monthly budget? Would it still be manageable if interest rates rise or if income decreases? If the answer is yes, then it could be the right time financially to buy a house. Step 3 involves understanding the housing market. This can be a little tricky as markets can fluctuate. In a seller's market, houses typically sell quickly and for high prices. In a buyer's market, houses may stay on the market for a while and sell for less. It's crucial to research local market conditions and consult with real estate professionals. They can provide valuable insights into whether it's a good time to buy or if it might be better to wait. The final step is considering the type of house that fits the needs. Is there a preference for a new build or an older house with character? What about the size, location, and style of the house? If the right kind of house isn't available, it might be worth waiting until more options become available. To summarize, determining the right time to buy a house involves considering personal readiness, financial readiness, understanding the housing market, and knowing the type of house desired. Each of these steps is critical in making an informed decision. Remember, buying a house is a significant decision that should not be rushed. It's about finding the right house, at the right time, in the right place. So, take the time to consider all these factors carefully. After all, a house is more than just a place to live, it's a place to call home.